Learning with Easy English Daily. Let's start.
Do you know how to talk about your evening? Routine in English, not only simple sentences. Like I watch TV, but real daily actions that can help you improve your English naturally. Today I will share my evening routine and teach you easy phrases you can use every night. Everything will be explained in a clear and interesting way so you can understand easily. I also speak slowly to help you follow every sentence without difficulty, and there is a small challenge for you. 2. Listen carefully and try to discover what I usually like to cook for breakfast. If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. This simple activity will help you practice English faster and improve your listening skills every single day. Are you ready? Let's begin now. Tonight I want to spend a calm and peaceful evening with you. Right now I am finally returning home after a very long and tiring day. Outside, the city is still full of noise and activity. People are walking quickly, cars are moving through the streets, and bright lights are shining everywhere. But the moment I open my door and step inside my home, everything immediately feels quieter and more comfortable. I slowly take off my shoes and place my bag carefully near the wall. After such a busy day, I really enjoy these small peaceful moments. Then I remove my coat and hang it beside the door before walking slowly through the house. Sometimes I do not turn on the television or play music because I enjoy the silence and calm atmosphere. Quiet evenings help me relax both mentally and physically. My shoulders feel lighter, my breathing becomes slower, and my mind finally feels peaceful again. Now I want to make a warm cup of tea, sit down comfortably, and enjoy this relaxing evening with you. I am truly happy you are here beside me tonight. Now I am standing quietly in my kitchen, and honestly, this is one of the most relaxing parts of my entire evening routine. After long and tiring day, I enjoy spending a little quiet time here by myself. Almost every evening I make a warm cup of tea because it helps me slow down, relax, and feel peaceful again. First, I fill the kettle with fresh water and turn it on. While I wait for the water to boil, I begin preparing a light and healthy salad. Tonight I am using cucumbers, tomatoes, and some fresh herbs. I really enjoy cooking simple meals with fresh vegetables because they always make me feel better. I carefully wash all the vegetables under cold water, then I slowly cut the cucumbers into thin slices and chop the tomatoes on my wooden cutting board. Everything smells fresh, clean, and natural. After that I add some fresh herbs, a little olive oil, salt, and black pepper. The meal is very simple, but sometimes simple food feels the most comforting after a stressful day. Soon the kettle finishes heating the water. Tonight I choose green tea. I slowly pour the hot water into my favorite cup and watch the warm steam rise gently into the air. Then I take a small bite of my salad and finally feel the stress of the day disappear little by little. Quiet evenings like this always make me feel calm, comfortable, and happy again. Now I am sitting quietly in the living room with a warm cup of tea in my hands, and for the first time today I suddenly notice something surprising. I never touched my phone after I came home. It is still resting somewhere inside my bag near the front door, completely forgotten, and honestly, that feels incredibly peaceful. Usually my entire day is filled with constant noise. Notifications keep appearing, messages never stop arriving, and people always seem to need something. Screens follow us everywhere, and sometimes it feels impossible to truly rest, but tonight feels completely different. My home feels calm, warm, and safe from all the noise outside. I gently place my tea on the table and pull the soft blanket closer around my shoulders. The tea is still hot, and the fresh smell of Cucumbers, tomatoes, and herbs from my salad still lingers softly in the air. I sit quietly for a moment and simply listen. I hear the small sound of a spoon touching the cup, a car slowly passing somewhere outside, and light rain tapping gently against the window. After a while, I stand up and walk slowly toward the window with my tea in my hand. Outside, the city is still busy and full of movement. People are walking, cars are driving, and lights are shining everywhere. But inside this room, everything feels peaceful. I stand there quietly, holding tea in one hand and my salad in the other, completely disconnected from the noise of the world. I think this is exactly why I love evenings so much. Evening is the only time when the world finally stops asking things from you. For a little while you can simply breathe, relax, and peacefully exist without pressure, noise, or stress around you. Now it is finally time for one of the most peaceful and relaxing parts of my evening routine. After finishing my tea and enjoying some quiet moments in the living room, I slowly walk to the bathroom to begin getting ready for bed. At this point in the evening, my body already feels calmer and my mind begins to slow down after the busy day. First, I turn on the shower and wait for the water to become warm. I truly love warm showers at night because they help me relax completely. As the warm water touches my skin, I can feel the stress and tiredness from the day slowly disappear. It always makes me feel lighter, calmer, and much more comfortable. After the shower, I wrap myself in a soft towel and quietly stand in front of the mirror. Then I begin my simple nighttime skin care routine. I gently wash my face and apply favorite face cream. I enjoy using light and fresh skincare products because they make my skin feel clean and comfortable. Next, I brush my teeth and slowly brush my hair while looking at my reflection in the mirror. Sometimes at night I look much more peaceful than I did in the morning. It feels like all the pressure from the day slowly fades away. I believe nighttime routines are important because they help the mind understand that the day is finally coming to an end. Step by step, I feel sleepier, calmer, and more ready to rest. Honestly, this may be the coziest moment of my entire evening routine. Now I am finally in my bedroom, and honestly, this is one of my favorite moments of the entire evening. I change into my soft and comfortable pajamas and slowly climb into bed, already feeling warm, calm, and relaxed after taking my shower. The blankets feel incredibly cozy, the pillows are soft, and at this point I do not want to leave this bed again tonight. Before going to sleep, I usually like to spend a little time reading. I know many people use their phones before bed, scrolling through social media or watching videos, but I personally prefer peaceful evenings without too much screen light. Reading helps my mind slow down gently and makes it easier for me to relax before sleeping. I turn on the small lamp beside my bed and pick up my book from the nightstand. The warm and gentle light fills the room and creates a calm, comfortable atmosphere. Tonight I am reading a simple and cozy novel. I do not want anything dramatic, loud, or stressful at night. In the evening I enjoy books that feel peaceful and comforting. Sometimes I only read a few pages because I become sleepy very quickly while lying under a warm blanket. I slowly open the book and quietly begin reading while the room stays silent around me. There is something very relaxing about reading late at night. A quiet room, a warm bed, and a good book always make me feel peaceful inside. Sometimes I suddenly notice that I have read the same page twice because my eyes are already becoming heavy with sleep. That is usually the moment when I know it is finally time to rest. I gently close the book, place it back on the nightstand, turn off the lamp, and Lie quietly under the blankets feeling completely calm, safe, warm and relaxed. After a long day. Now the evening is almost over and honestly, this is my favorite moment of the entire day. Everything is finally finished and I can simply rest without thinking about work, responsibilities or stress anymore. The house is quiet, the lights are soft and everything around me feels peaceful and calm. Sometimes before sleeping, I spend a few minutes thinking quietly about the day. I remember small moments, conversations with people, places I visited, and even little things that made me smile. Sometimes I also think about what I want to do tomorrow or what I hope the next day will be like. These quiet moments always help me relax before falling asleep. After a while, I slowly reach over and turn off the small lamp beside my bed. Immediately the room becomes darker and only the soft city lights outside the window remain. I pull the blanket a little closer, my eyes and quietly listen to the peaceful sounds of the night. And by the way, do you still remember the question from the beginning of the video? I asked you what I usually like to cook for breakfast. If you know the answer, write it in the comments in English. It is a simple way to practice listening and improve your English naturally while watching videos. Thank you for spending this quiet evening with me today. I hope this video helped you relax, practice English and enjoy a peaceful moment before sleep. Good night and see you next time.
Did you learn something new? Do subscribe.